What's up, you guys? It's Ollie coming at you with another video on all white major chords. First off, it's gonna be C major. It's 1 on C, 3 on E, and then 5 on E. Our next chord is gonna be D major. First finger on D, third finger on F sharp, and then our fifth finger on A. Next chord is going to be E major. So you're going to be putting your first finger on E, then your third finger on G sharp, and then your fifth finger on B. F doesn't have any sharps or flats, so it's going to just be F on your first finger, third finger on A, then your fifth finger on C. G doesn't have any sharps or flats either, so it's going to be first finger on G, third finger on B, fifth finger on D. A has C sharp in it, so it's going to be first finger on A, third finger on C sharp, and then your fifth finger on E. B has 2 sharps, so it's going to have D sharp and F sharp. And you're going to have your first finger on B, third finger on D sharp, then your fifth finger on F sharp. So all of them together sound kind of like this. And there you guys have it. Those are all the white major chords that we have on the piano. Please like and share if you got anything out of this, and comment what you guys want to see next. Follow our video series on beginner tips and tricks. Be sure to be subscribed, and we'll see you next time.